welcome back. I'm happy to see you guys are here for another video. Thank you all so much. I will be doing my eyebrows off camera, and voila, they are done, clean and sharp. Today I'll be using my Sugarpill eyeshadows. I showed you guys these on Instagram and everybody wanted to see the ones that I did get. I did choose 6 of the eyeshadows I've always wanted, which is Buttercup, I think it's Butter Cupcake, Flame Point, Love Plus, Poison Plum, Velocity, and Taco. I always wanted that white shade, but I'm gonna go in with the blue shade first, and this is the shade Velocity, and I will be building this up into my crease, trying to make it as opaque as possible. These are very blendable. I love these eyeshadows because they come out really opaque and they're just basically bomb. I've been waiting to get these and I'm so happy that I got them. Excuse me guys, I probably sound like a robot, but yeah, at this point I'm just flicking and blending out the blue. Now I'm taking the shade Flame Point, which is that vibrant orange, and I'm applying this right on top of the blue, and this is going to help me blend out this blue into this orange that I have going on here. I'm going to do this a little bit at a time, adding on a little orange and starting to blend it out from there, and I'll keep doing that process until I get the orange all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner. Now I'm taking the yellow, which is Butter Cupcake, and I'm adding that right above the orange. I'm doing the exact same steps as I did doing the orange, lightly applying some yellow a little at a time right above the orange to start blending the orange out a little better. I'm going back in with some of the orange just so that I can brighten up that orange and you'd be able to see it a lot better. And then I'll go back into the blue and I'll start brightening up the blue a little bit more. I really love these eyeshadows. As you can see, they blend really easy into each other, and this is a blue, orange, and yellow. So it's not something like a red, orange, and yellow where it's easy to blend into each other. These are two totally different shades and they blend nicely. At this point, I wanted to change the color of my crease, so instead of just wiping off the whole entire eye, I'm just going to try and put Poison Plum right on top of Velocity. So I'm just taking some of this purple, which is Poison Plum, adding it right on top and seeing what it would do. And so far, it is doing beautiful, just covering up the blue. I had no issues with blending. It didn't turn out nasty. I just added the orange right on top of the purple, and the orange blended out the purple perfectly fine, and then the yellow right on top of it just to make sure that the orange was blended out nicely, and it blended out really nice, y'all. So these eyeshadows are very impressive. I really like them a lot. Taking my Starlooks black eyeliner and I'm smudging that onto my lid. I would suggest to use something a little bit more easier to use, like a gel eyeliner, but this is what I have for right now, so this is what I'll use. And then right on top of that, I'll go into my Jaclyn Hill palette and use the shade Twerk and add this all over my lid. This shade is so beautiful. I love it so much. This is going to be one of those no harsh line smoky eye kind of things. So I am going to blend this eyeshadow into my crease. And then I'll go back in with Poison Plum and I will blend the edges of the purple and Twerk together. And after I finish this eye, I'll go ahead and do the other eye off camera, guys. I'll also do my foundation off camera because the routine is completely the same, and I'll be right back. Then I'm going to take the shade Flame Point for my lower lash line and blend that down there first. And to further blend out Flame Point, I'll take the shade Butter Cupcake and I'll blend that on my lower lash line. Then I'll add a black liner in my waterline and smudge that out with some of Poison Plum. And then once I smudge out the black eyeliner with Poison Plum, I'll take a little bit more of Flame Point and I'll blend that out as well. And then once I do that, I'll take a little bit more of Twerk and I'll add that to my inner corner of my lower lash line, just to spruce it up down there, give it some shine. And then I'll add the shade Pool Party from the Jaclyn Hill palette into my inner corner. Such a beautiful teal shade. I love this color combo together, the violet, the teal with the orange and yellow with my green eyes. It looks really cute. Then with my Huda Beauty Ruby Obsession palette, I'm taking the shade, well, they actually don't have shade names. This is just the lightest shimmery pink shade in there, and I'm adding that to my brow bone and blending that out. Then I'm taking some of my Anastasia Beverly Hills glitter glue and I'm adding that all over my lid. And then I'm going in with my NYX Cosmetics glitter in violet and I'm adding that all over my lid. And then once I apply my glitter and make sure that it's all blended nicely, I'll go ahead and apply some lashes. These lashes did take me a little second to put on for some reason. I have no idea, maybe because it had like a thick lash band, but you'll just see me here pressing it against my lash line to get those lashes on there nicely, and then I'll push them up to give them a quick lift. Adding my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara onto my lashes just to blend these falsies in with my natural lashes, and then I'll go ahead and do a tight line to my eyes. I'm using my Starlooks black longwear eyeliner to do this. Then I'll coat my baby lashes with some of this mascara as well. And then I'll do my lips. I'm using my Morphe Brushes Sweet Tea Lip Liner. I love this lip liner. It is the best lip liner to get those plump lips for my skin tone. At least I feel like. It's not too dark and it's not too light. And the light lipstick that I'm using for the inner portion of my lips would be the Maybelline Blushing Beige Lipstick. Such a bomb lipstick, so creamy. I love this lipstick so much. And then I'll set my face with some of my Maybelline Make It Last setting spray just to set that all down. Then the look is complete, you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys sticking it through this look. If you guys did like this video, please go ahead and give it a like, comment down below and let me know what you thought. Follow me on all my social media. I have Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook. Until then, guys, bye.